Quick, easy, long-lasting, acne-friendly, back-to-school makeup. Let's go. You should be starting with a very simple skincare routine. I'd say don't even wash your face in the morning, just rinse with a little bit of water, hyaluronic acid serum, moisturizer, and that's it. And once that's dried down, SPF. Haven't put my SPF yet, so that's what I'm going to do. Anyone that you have should be fine, but if you're interested in a really nice one, this one from Purito, it's a Korean skincare brand. It's the best one. It's my favorite ever. It goes so well under the makeup. It doesn't smell like SPF. This is something like an ad, but it's not. I genuinely love this so much. No white cast, feels like a moisturizer. It's just insane and leaves my skin so glowy, hydrated, like everything. I'm assuming you're gonna be in a hurry when you do this makeup, so I'm not gonna do many steps or many products. So I'm actually gonna skip foundation. When I was going to school or to university, I couldn't even bother to put foundation on. Like, that felt heavy on me in the morning. Like, that was instantly a no. So what I'm going to do is even out my skin tone with some bronzing drops, because like my face is always a lot paler than my body, so this will do the trick. And this is already going to bring some healthiness to my complexion, because in the morning I swear I just look like a zombie. Okay, with a little bit more color, I already feel more alive. As said, I'm not gonna do foundation, so I'm gonna go straight in with concealer. I don't have much left, as you can see. This one's the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Amazing, it's absolutely amazing. So we're gonna cover those dark circles up and pretend that we actually had enough sleep. We're gonna cover any redness, and since I'm not doing foundation, I'm going to spot conceal. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit so it marinates and it dries down a little bit. When I actually blend it out, it's gonna have a little bit more coverage. It's gonna cover everything up a little more nicely. So in the meantime, we can do our brows. Nothing fancy, just a little bit of brow gel. Gonna keep them super natural, just following the shape of my eyebrows. You can stop here, but I personally need to extend the tail a little bit, because I feel like I'm missing that part. I just need to do it, but you can actually skip this. So now I'm ready to blend everything. As you can see, I'm doing tapping motions, so we don't move around the product that much, and it actually covers what it needs to cover. You're watching this and you're starting a new school year or uni or something, let me know below. I love to know what grade you are or what you're studying. I would tell you what I'm studying now, but I finished my education few years ago. Like, I'm just a 25-year-old teenager now, not knowing what she's doing with her life, but yeah, okay, it's fine. If you're curious to know, I studied industrial design engineering and product development. Your girl is an engineer and now I make videos for the internet for a living. You never know what's gonna happen. You never know. Anyways, I wanted to add some affordable products into this makeup, because I know when I was in school I couldn't afford anything. So for blush and bronzer, I'm going to use the Kiko Milano sticks. These are so creamy, so amazing. They are less than 10 euros, I think. Since I don't want to do too much, I'm going to apply it to the back of my hand and grab it with the brush and then place it where I would normally bronze. This way I'm making sure I don't put too much, because I don't want to do too much. I just want to keep it very simple. This is also a very fast technique, so if you're in a hurry like I used to be all the time, this is perfect. In with the concealer brush, so everything is very blended out and very seamless. For the blush, another Kiko stick, I think this shade is so beautiful and so perfect for the everyday because it's kind of a muted rosy tone. So I'm gonna do the same thing, apply it on the back of my hand. So let's just apply that. See, it applies very quick and very beautifully. For powder, another very affordable option. This powder is from Chic Glam and it's absolutely insane. This is gonna keep your makeup all day long, I swear. It's fantastic and really affordable. Check this out. Crazy. Just apply that where you need it. I just need it in the center of my face. I want to keep the glow on my cheeks, so just swiping everything very lightly. This powder is gonna keep your makeup in place for a long time. But if you want to take an extra step, you can always do a little bit of setting spray and good to go. I personally like to do false freckles. This is my super fast, super easy way to do them. Just grab some eyeshadow, brown eyeshadow, different shades if you can, and a very detailed brush like this one. I'm going to mix a couple of shades. I tap the excess on the back of my hand and now I just go in. I tap that so it fades a little bit. Don't just make the freckles on my nose. I place them in more random places like the cheeks, in the eyelid, temple. This creates a more natural look because people with false freckles don't just have freckles in here, you know, so this is gonna make them more realistic. And if you have any blemishes, this is the best trick. For example, I have one in here, huge one, and turn it into a beauty mark. That can be really quick, honestly. For the eyes, I wouldn't even bother doing a lot, so I'm basically just going to curl my lashes. And if you don't like wearing mascara or just want to keep it a little more natural, just leave it like that. Don't put mascara, just curl them and you're good to go. I am going to put mascara though, so I'm going to do a waterproof mascara that's gonna last the whole entire day. And if I cry at any point of the day, I don't have to worry about that. Doing some sort of engineering, you will need a nice waterproof mascara. So yeah. Beautiful affordable lip liner that's very close to my actual lips. I just overline my lip and now I'm smudging it so it looks a little more natural. For the lips, I will wear something very easy to throw on, like lip balm kind of thing. I love this one from Rimmel London. It's a really nice dupe for the black honey lipstick from Clinique. If you know, you know. Maybe it's a little bit too pigmented for school, in my opinion, like for me, what I would do. Let me just try it on and show you. Such a nice berry shade. It might not even be too much. It's beautiful, isn't it? I love this, and it's very comfortable and moisturizing. It's honestly really good, and it's super affordable. Another option for me would be something like this. It's kind of like a crayon and it's really easy just to throw on, very easy to reapply. So I'm gonna show you how this one looks. This is a more orangey tone, which is also beautiful. I would honestly wear any of this to school, to be honest. So comfortable, so easy to throw on. It's just what I need. You can do another round of setting spray now that everything's finished. This will be it. Very easy, very quick makeup for school. So yeah, let me know if you're gonna try this. I would love to know if this was helpful for you in any way. You can use me to track your time when you're doing your makeup in the mornings. So feel free to put this as if we were FaceTiming. Yeah, that would be fun. As always, everything that I use is gonna be linked down below. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching if you're still here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!